Okay, so good afternoon to everyone. Now, today in the this computer organizations architecture lab, we will see about in the previous lab we have seen about the half adder circuit. So how a half adder should be made we have seen, and also I have shown you that how to install this software, install this multisim software. So in the previous lab class I have given the overview about that how this multisim software can be downloaded, and from there how we can install it. And there a problem will arise, that is because this is a simulator, so they will not give you the after some days trial or some free periods they can given, and after that you have to evaluate or the extend that day. So if you go to extend that, then it may happen that you have to, because it will be said that you have to, if you wanted to extend, so if you give the extension, then the license versions they have to pay, and you will get the license version. So free only some days it can given the free period. So there is a problem it arises. So what we will do in that case, we will change the system date and timing. So if you change the system date and time, so in that case you will see that the simulator's free period will be same. So that's why your task will be easy. तो मतलब क्या है कि देखो मेनली ये तो फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है, तो इसका सिमुलेटर में जब तुम करोगे तो सिमुलेटर में तुमको कुछ दिन एक्सटेंशन पीरियड देगा, उसके बाद तुमको पे करके लाइसेंस वर्जन लेना होगा। तो इसके इजी जो तरीका है कि तुम उसको क्या है डेट एंड टाइमिंग को चेंज करके इसका सॉफ्टवेयर जो है, इसका सॉफ्टवेयर को तुम एक्सटेंशन कर सकते हो, जितना दिन तुम उसको फ्री ट्रायल पीरियड करके कर सकते हो। तो हम लोग भी ऐसे ही करते हैं, क्योंकि फ्री नहीं तो पे करना होगा लाइसेंस वर्जन की। तो तुम लोग भी इसको क्या है ऐसे इंस्टॉल करना। और इंस्टॉल ऑलरेडी हम पिछले दिन आकाश जो था, आकाश को ऐसे नॉर्मली कैसे इंस्टॉल होता था हम दिखाए थे। तो तुम लोग ये एनआई जो मल्टीसिम सॉफ्टवेयर है, तो वो सबको हम बोले थे डाउनलोड कर लेने के लिए, तो तुम लोग सब डाउनलोड कर लिए हो एनआई मल्टीसिम सॉफ्टवेयर? सबके सिस्टम में डाउनलोडेड है?
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके। तो ये जो एनआई मल्टीसिम सॉफ्टवेयर है, तो इसके हम लोग क्या है कि हम फर्स्ट जो था हाफ एडर का सर्किट डिजाइन देखे थे। सो टुडे वी विल सी द डिजाइन ऑफ द फुल एडर सर्किट, द डिजाइन ऑफ द full adder circuit. So what is full adder? Full adder is basically the adder which adds 3 input and produces 2 output. तो इसका अगर फुल एडर का याद करो कि हम लोग जब डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में पढ़े थे फुल एडर कैसे दिखना होता था। फुल एडर तो हम लोगों का एक ये जो है, लेट्स से दिस इज फुल एडर, दिस इज फुल एडर। और फुल एडर में क्या होता है? फुल एडर में हम लोगों का 3 इनपुट्स है। We have 3 inputs in full adder. Let's say they are A, B, C और 2 आउटपुट मेरा था। क्या क्या आउटपुट था मेरा? सम एंड कैरी, यही जनरेट होता था। यही फुल एडर का कॉन्सेप्ट है कि we have in the full adder 3 inputs and this 3 input will produces 2 output. Now this first 2 input A और B, ये जो फर्स्ट 2 इनपुट है, ये इनपुट मेरा क्या है? ये 2 नॉर्मल इनपुट है। और जो थर्ड इनपुट जो है, ये जो थर्ड हम सी जो ले रहे हैं थर्ड इनपुट, वो मेरा क्या है? इनपुट कैरी। ये जो है मेरा थर्ड इनपुट, वो है इनपुट कैरी। और आउटपुट में जो प्रोड्यूस होगा, आउटपुट में टू टाइप्स, दो प्रोड्यूस होता है, two outputs will be produced, one is sum and another one is carry. Okay, so a full adder logic is designed in such a manner that we can take 8 inputs together. Now we have three inputs present. So using 3 inputs, how many combination we can make using 3 inputs? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So that means we can take 8 inputs, we can make 8 combinations, so that's why we can take 8 inputs together. And to create a byte-wide adder and cascade the carry bit from one adder to another, we do that. So what will be the truth table of the full adder? What will be the truth table of the full adder? So if we say the truth table of the full adder will be, let's say we have 3 inputs, so A, B, C, and there is the output is sum and carry. तो ये जो है, ये मेरा फुल एडर का क्या है, ये मेरा फुल एडर का, अभी हम लोग इसमें आउटपुट देखेंगे कि कितना फुल एडर में क्या होता है। तो फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है, 0 0 0, ये ट्रूथ टेबल है फुल एडर का। सो 0 0 0, उसमें क्या है, सम भी 0 होगा, कैरी भी मेरा 0 होगा। देन नेक्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन 0 0 1, इसमें सम कितना होगा, 1 होगा। तो अब अगर तीनों को एडिशन कर दो, 0 + 0 0, 0 + 1 1, तो सम मेरा 1 है, बट कैरी देयर इज नो कैरी, सो इट विल बी 0। देन नेक्स्ट 0 1 0, इसमें भी सम कितना है, अगर सम इसको कैलकुलेट करें, सम इज 1, कैरी विल बी 0। देन नेक्स्ट 0 1 1. Now what will be the sum? So we will, if we do 1 + 1, then 1 + 1 0, carry 1. So 0 + 0, sum will be what? Sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Then 1 0 0. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 1. And what will be, because if we make this 1 + 0 1, 1 + 0 1, so sum will be 1, carry will be what, carry will be 0. So next 1 0 1, then what will be sum? Anyone, what will be the sum if it is 1 0 1? Yes, sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Why carry will be 1? Because 1 + 0 1, 1 + 1 there is 0 and 1 is carry, so that is why it is carry 1. Then 1 1 0, in that case also what will happen, sum will be 0, carry will be 1, because 1 + 1 0, 0 + 0 0, and this 1 + 1 carry is 1, so 1 is carry. Then 1 1 1, the last combination, 1 + 1 0, carry 1, then 0 + 1, sum is 1, carry is 1. So this is basically, you see, total 8 combination, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 combination. And in this 8 combination, using this 8 combination, we have got the sum and the carry. This is what the full adder says. So from here, by seeing the truth table, we can make the logical expression, for sum and carry. both logical expression we can produce by seeing it. So we have to see in which the combination we have to see that where one is. So we will see that. So first one is in here. So total, if we see, then the logical expression will be what? A dash B then C bar. That is what first, in the first case we will see, the first one case we will see that in where in the sum one is present. We will see first, to make this combination we will see first in the sum where one is present. So we will see, sorry, 1 minute, this will not be. So first we will see what, where one is there. So sum, in sum where one is there, it is one, there it is one, there it is one, there it is one. So from seeing that where it is one, we will make the logical expression of the sum. So what will be the logical expression? Will be sum. So a is 0, so we will write like this, a dash. So for 0 we will write bar, that means the complement. So a bar plus into B bar, because there is also 0, and then for C it is normal. So A bar, B bar, C plus the next one where it is, here it is next one. So what will write? A bar, because in A it is 0, so we will write A bar, then B, then C bar. So that means where one is present, we will write that. If you see here it is one present, so we will see the combination here. So 0 0 1, so that means A bar, B bar, C. Then here next one is here, so we will see the combination A bar, B, C bar, then plus next one is 1, there is the 1. So what we will write now? What we will write for this combination?
A, B bar, C bar.
Yes, right. A, B bar, C bar. And another, the last one will be, last one is what? Yes, the last one will be A, B, C. So this will be the logical expression, the total logical expression of the sum. Same as that, we can make carries expression, we can also make from here. So if we simplify this, it is, if you in the digital electronics, you already seen that does, if we want to simplify this, then it will be make that C XOR A XOR B. So if we do this simplification, then this logical expression will be look like this. So you can make simplification also, but you can also do like this. Write this, the logical expression for the sum, you can write like this also. But sometimes you can also make this logical expression by dividing it, solving that normalization. Then you can do like this also. This is the sum, and the carry will be what? The same as that. For same way we will write the carry, same way we'll write the carry. So in carry we will see first where one is present. In carry there is one present, there is one present, here it is one present, here it is one present. So we will see that what, we will see its combination. So here it's one, there is one, so its combination we will see. So it will make us what? A bar. So here if we see this, then the combination will be make what? A bar B C. So we are making this logical expression for whom? We are making this logical expression for the carry. So in the carry we are getting 1 here. So at where we are getting 1, in that particular we will see the input combination there. So input combination is what? 0 1 1. So that means it will be A bar B C. Same as that next combination we are getting 1 here. So according to this combination will be used. So A bar B C plus this will be what? This will be A B bar C. So that means this will be A B bar C plus this is what? This is the A B C bar. A B C bar, and this is what? This is the one. So its combination will be A B C. So that means the carry expression will be A bar B C plus this is A B C, A B bar C plus A B C bar plus what is A B C. So that is the total combination of the carry. So carry will look like this. This is all about our full adder. Okay. It is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the thing of our full adder. So now I will show you the implementation, that how the full adder circuit should be designed. We can design the full adder circuit, how we will perform that. Now to making this full adder circuit, what we have required, which type of gates we will require? We will require 2 XOR gate and 2 AND gate and a OR gate we will require. So that means first how we will do that? We will first press Ctrl W. Yes, we will press Ctrl W. So when we will press the Ctrl W, this total select a component, this box will be open, this window will open, that select a component. Now from here we will search the gate. So how many types of gate we will require? We will require 3 types of gate to design this full adder circuit: 2 XOR gate, 2 AND gate, and 1 OR gate. So first we will search that XOR. Yes. Now this XOR, you will see that XOR 2, XOR 3, XOR 4, XOR 5, XOR 6, XOR 7, XOR 8. So this numbering is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is dependent over the input. Now if you see XOR 3, that means 3 input. XOR 4, 4 input. But we will require only 2 input. In our designing, we will require 2 input. So from here, we will choose XOR 2. So a XOR gate we have chosen here. Okay, then we require 2 XOR gates. So another XOR we will use. This is the another XOR. Then we will require 2 AND gate. So here we will search AND and press AND 2 because we require this AND gate will have the 2 inputs. So we will choose AND gate. Let's say like this, the AND gate we choose. Then another 2 AND gate we will require. So this is another AND gate. Okay, and we require a OR gate. So from here we will choose OR, and this is an OR gate. So all the gate we have chosen. Now what we have to choose? We have to choose the resistance and our power supply, we should have to choose from here. So from we will click this all group, and from there we will choose power option. So from here, go to the power option, and from here this power option, write in the component list DC power. Right from here, that which sorry, it is the okay. So DC power supply we required. One minute. Okay, sorry, from sources you will find that. From sources you will find that, click on the sources, and from there you will find DC power, search DC power, and you will find the DC power there. So choose the DC power, and a ground should be there. We have to choose a ground voltage, so we will choose a ground here. A ground also should be present. We have to choose that ground also. So we have done the ground. Now we have to choose the switch. The switch should be present. So the switch we will do from, so sorry, before switch you will find the, go to the basic, and from there basic you will find, if you go to the basic, choose the basic from the group, and then click in the switch, and from in this switch write SPST type. So this SPST type switch we require. So one SPST switch, then total 3 SPST switch we have to use. So this is an SPST switch. Then after the switch we have to choose resistance. You see the register option here, and from this register the 1K is fixed, default 1K is there. You choose the default 1K. So there are total 3 SPST switch, so that means 3 resistance should be present. So 1, 2 and 3 resistance should be there. And the other thing which we will require, so switch we have done, then resistance we have already done. Okay, so the last thing you have to do, that is from all groups, click on the all groups, and from here choose blue probe. All groups, okay, there from choose probe blue option, search, it will be find probe blue. So choose probe blue here to see the output of our circuit, which the circuit we will design, that circuit, to design that circuit and see the output we will see from there. Choose the probe blue. Okay, so all the things which is necessary to design our circuit we have done. So in our circuit we have to use 2 XOR gate, 2 AND gate, and 1 OR gate, and there in our circuit there will be 3 switch, the 3 SPST switch, and 3 resistance should be present, and a DC power supply and a ground. This is what we require. We require to design our circuit. Now one by one we will make the connection. Now we will make the connection, and after that we will see the required output. So one by one we will make the connection. We will start making the connection. So first of all, one minute. Okay, so now one by one we'll make the connection. So move it in the 90-degree, rotate clockwise, then press go here and press the right click option. There you will find rotate 90-degree clockwise. So rotate this switch also, and then this switch also. So rotate this. Same as that, you have to rotate this resistance also. So rotate this. Okay. So now we'll move the. This is our. So here we move. Okay. So one by one we will move and see the connection, how I am making the connection. Okay. Okay, so move it, you have to press it and you will be able to move that. Click on it and press it, you will able to move that. Okay. So first of all, I have to move it here. Now we'll start making the connection. So press over it, and after pressing over it, you will see that and do the connections. Start making the connections. So observe it carefully that how I am making that. Okay. Now, if you look, these are the three inputs which we have taught. So that's why, let's say you can change its name also. The name you change like this. Let's say the name will be A. This name will be, this name we change it as B. This name we change it as C. So we have changed this name. So these are the three inputs. And in this probe, so when the result will be shown, that this probe will be lit up. So we change it as the name Sam for this and change its name as Carry. Okay. So we are changing the name. Now we'll make the connection. So first we know that first we'll make the connection that the first input will be connected with him, okay, and its second input will be connected with this. Sorry. We'll make this connection. The first input with this and the second input with this. Okay. Then the next connection, the first input will be connected with this and this second AND gate second input will be connected from here. Then the third input, this third input will come from here and the second input will come from here and its second input this is the first input this is the second input and from here the output will go as the input of this OR gate and this is the another input. So and now we have to change this value with 5-fold. Okay, so basically we have made the combination. We have already made the combination now. Now we will see one by one that our truth table is verified or not. We will see that. So the first time when there is 0, 0, 0, in that time sum is also 0 and our carry is also 0. Okay, so that's why you see nothing is, then we'll start running first. Okay, so first time when there is all 0, so all switches are, you see all switches are open. So when all switches are open, that means that is 0. So 0 means the sum is also, so 0, 0, 0, the sum is also 0, the carry is also 0. Okay, so the next combination is 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1. You see the sum is, we know that sum will be 1 and the carry will be 0. So this is the truth table is verified. You see 0 0 1, the sum is 1 and the carry is what? The carry will be 0. Same as that, the next combination is 0 1 0. In that case, the sum will be 1 and the carry will be, you see, the carry is 0. So there is what you see, that sum is showing, that sum is lighted up. So sum is what? The sum is showing, glowing. So that means this is 1, this is one condition, 1. So that's why the sum has been lit up. So then if both 0 1 1, so B is also 1, C is also 1. So in that case, the sum will be 0 and the carry will be what? The carry will be 1. That is what? So this are also true. Then 1 0 0. In the case of 1 0 0, what will happen? In the case of 1 0 0, sum will be 1 and the carry will be 0. So okay, this is also fine. This combination is also true for this circuit. Then 1 0 1. So 1 0 1, that will be, our sum will be 0 and the carry will be 1. So that's why this is glowing. Then 1 1 0. So that means this will be opened 1 1 0. They are also our 1 1 0. In that case, sum is 0 but carry is what? The carry is 1. So that's it. That's why it is showing the carry. And if all are closed, that means 1 1 1. In that case, sum is also 1, carry is also 1. So this is the full adder circuit and this should be designed like that. Okay. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have designed it with when I am showing you, in that time you have designed that. मीन्स कि हम जब कर रहे थे तुम लोग कर उसके साथ करे ये जो रन कराने के लिए ये जो कनेक्शन, क्योंकि ये हाथ से कनेक्शन नहीं